Hey folks, Todd Dow here, and if you're just arriving on this channel, you don't know anything of what I'm actually about, you can subscribe to this channel for any of the updates that I may actually produce on my channel. I do a lot of videos based on giving people information on how to market their business, Shopify, and a whole other slew of things. But today, what I've actually been able to do is I'm out here in Canggu, which is like Bali, Indonesia, as you can tell from all the scooters everywhere. But out here there was actually an event, and the gentleman that is actually speaking at this event was sharing his knowledge about YouTube and how he's been able to build a subscriber base of 8,000 people. And just last year he generated over $90,000 from this YouTube channel launching one of his products. Now, I don't know about you, but $90,000 in a year just by uploading YouTube videos is pretty powerful. And so I took a seat, me and Marissa, and we looked at everything that he was covering, and there was a couple of golden nuggets that I got out of the training that he was giving to us. And one of the golden nuggets is that if you're going to upload and build a YouTube channel, you're going to have to be consistent, because YouTube will actually penalize you for not being consistent with your YouTube videos. So what a lot of YouTubers do is that they do not upload consistently. They may upload for a week, then they may skip a couple months, and then they, the show goes on, right? So be consistent when you're building your YouTube channel. Another thing that I picked up was that you don't have to have a whole lot of subscribers in order to make a lot of money. He only has 8,000 subscribers, and one of the things that he shared with us was that he didn't launch his first product until he had 5,000 subscribers on his channel. But I know personally some friends of mine who had as little as 100 subscribers on their channel, and they're making a decent living just off of just 100 subscribers on their channel. And the reason behind that is because when you're building a business on YouTube, people search for these whatever you're trying to market, they search for these videos consistently. And if you have information that people want to hear and it's valuable information, chances are they're going to take action on whatever it is that you share with them. So that's all. That's the two things that I actually picked up, is that you don't have to have a lot of YouTube subscribers in order to make a decent amount of income every single month. And then the second thing is, again, or actually it was the first thing, you got to be consistent with your YouTube videos, posting daily, weekly, whatever schedule that you come up with, you have to do it consistently. So with all that being said here, I'm going to enjoy my meal here, and hey, see you guys on the next video.